MBA in UK. The UK is host to some of the world's best business schools in terms of quality of teaching and brand recognition. An MBA program at a UK business school usually takes 1 year to complete, but some programs can last for 2 years, and prospective MBA students can also combine study part time so your career may continue. All UK MBA programs accept applications from students who have finished their 12 plus 3 years, that is, bachelor's in India. Most MBA programs in UK will begin in September each year. Best time to apply for MBA in UK is October and November for the forthcoming September start, that is 1 year in advance. The average cost of an MBA is around £16,000 per year, but larger and more prestigious schools in London can charge upwards of £60,000. Prospective MBA students will need at least an upper second class honours degree or equivalent and a minimum of 3 years full-time continuous work experience of a managerial nature. In some cases, you will need to take the Graduate Management Admission Test, that is the GMAT. The test lasts 3.5 hours and the total GMAT score ranges from 200 to 800, with a score of 600 needed to qualify for most MBA programs. Some colleges accept only GMAT scores, while in some, even a GRE score is valid. But most schools in the UK don't require a GMAT score. Though a good IELTS score, that is International English Language Testing score, is mandatory for many MBA colleges. In IELTS, the preferred score is 7 or 6.5 out of 9. Instead of the IELTS, one can also take the PTE, that is the Pearson test. Strong academic scores are always valuable. Academic mark sheets of all years from 10th standard to final year are required to be submitted to apply to UK universities. If the final year mark sheet is not available, then it can be submitted later once the entire admission process is done. The statement of purpose is another important step to get admission into the MBA program. The SOP helps the university to know you as an individual, to understand your ambitions, achievements, inspirations, and values. The SOP should be around 1.5 pages long and it should clearly express who you are. A good resume or CV is also mandatory for all colleges. Letter of recommendations from your professors, principal, or your employer can help improve your chances to get admission. The final step of the admission process is an interview, though the interview is only required for some schools. The top MBA schools in the UK are London Business School, University of Oxford, University of Cambridge, Imperial College London. The fees of these colleges are quite high, coming up to 40 lakhs or more, and all these colleges require GMAT scores. But there are other good schools that have lower fees and do not require GMAT scores. So that's it for today. If you found the video informative, do subscribe to our channel.